You are now watching another edition of the Story Review. This time we feature X-Men Wolverine. Okay, before we start this, I'm just going to tell you some interesting background about this toy. This is quite a history. So, basically ito, nabili ito ng kuya ko in a toy convention some years ago. May kasama to actually na parang bust or base. Loose figure siya nung nabili ng kuya ko, no? Tapos siguro mga ilang buwan or umabot din yata ng taon, pinabenta niya sa akin, and fortunately nabili ng isa kong barkada sa opisina. Sa kasamaang palad, medyo napabayaan ng barkada ko, kaya binili pa ng isa kong barkada mula dun sa barkada ko na nakabili. Then this time, ang ginawa naman nung nakabili, nilinis niya maigi tong si Wolverine, kasi nung nakuha niya to medyo marumi pa may mga marka-marka, may mga ibang accessory na nawala sa kanya, which we are going to discuss later. But somehow I'm glad na nakauwi siya ng bahay ngayon. Temporary lang naman, hinirang ko muna sa kaibigan ko for our toy review tonight. Okay, as we have noticed, etong Wolverine natin na to, ito yung nasa X-Men cartoon series noon, some years ago. I believe na yung Wolverine, kung di ako nagkakamali, brown ang costume niya, hindi naman ito And yeah, one thing that I also forgot to mention is ito, minanufacture to ng Toy Biz. Great points of articulation, but somehow meron tong distinction kumpara sa ibang toys na minanufacture ng Toy Biz, First of all, isang na-notice ko dito yung diaphragm part niya. Kasi yung mga ibang toys ng ibang action figures ng Toy Biz or ng Hasbro, may points of articulation dito sa part ng ng diaphragm. But this one, no, wala. And one thing that I would notice here is parang medyo nakayuko siya. See? Notice it here, yung curve ng kanyang back. Okay, but somehow very good points of articulation, as I've mentioned earlier. Ayan, look at the fingers here. Ayan, see that? See that? See? Yeah. And not only the hands, okay, also the feet. Kita nyo? Very nice. Legs, you can twist it. Torso, ayan. So, ayan. Medyo hindi lang maganda dito. Dikit-dikit na yung niya, yung mga close niya. Ayan. And somehow, mapapansin niyo, maka-close up natin yung mukha. Sandali, ha? Ayan. Ayan. Medyo marumi nang tignan yung mukha niya, Anyhow, as I've mentioned earlier, meron tong accessory na nawawala Yun nandito sa mga balikat niya, yung parang kapitan ng kapa o parang chaleco type something. Winalayan ng kaibigan ko, kabarkada ko na nakabili nito. And of course, papansin niyo talagang features ng Wolverine sa comics and cartoons, yung pagiging balbon niya, kikita niyo sa arms, ganyan. And of course, posable siya, yan, ganyan. Of course, kumbaga sa kumbaga sa Transformers, etong si Wolverine, hot item to ng hindi siya katulad ni Spider-Man na masyadong pambata. This one is a matured character. So Wolverine, kumbaga sana siya maybe we can say Optimus Prime dun sa Transformers. It is a hot item and must have kung avid collector ka ng Marvel. Okay, once again, compared to Hasbro, maganda yung maganda yung paint na ito kasi Toy Biz ang nag-manufacture. And what else can we notice? Well, take a look at this side here, yung pinaka parang underwear niya. ito maganda sa ito maganda sa mga toys na minamanufacture ngayon. They try to make it as realistic as possible. Unlike some years ago, ito lang yung brief niya. So siguro sa mga sinaunang toys, ito lang yung pinaka-underwear niya. Pero dito, in-extend nila yung paint sa legs niya to make it look like parang semi-short or parang mas malaki yung brief niya or something. Well, there we go. Oops, pare, sorry yeah, one thing that I've forgot to mention as well, nakikita nyo itong butas sa paa niya. Kasi yung, as I've mentioned earlier, meron siyang base na inaapakan. Yung base na yun yung mga kalaban niya na supposed to be may stand yun. I-attach mo lang yung paa niya. Parang ganyan yung dating niya. Yan. Sayang, wala dito, hindi pinahiram sa akin yung base But anyhow, still great toy. Kung meron kayo nito, wag na wag nyong ibebenta, wag na wag nyong itatapon. Take care of this toy. Wala na kayong mabibiling ganito na sa mga market. Siguro mabibili nyo sa mga talagang avid collectors o kaya sa Green Hills, pero SM wala na. Well, that's it for our toy review tonight. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for patronizing this. Have a nice evening.